Alam mo bang buntik na malugi ang 7-Eleven dito sa Pilipinas? Actually, pumasok sila noong 1984. This was how many decades ago, no? Pero sumikat lang sila sa mga early 2000s. So what happened? Nung pumasok yung 7-Eleven, the Philippines wasn't ready. So just imagine this, no? Puro sari-sari store tayo. Right now, merong isang convenience store na mas mahal pa sa sari-sari store. Naka-aircon, parang it doesn't make sense. Kasi sa sari-sari store, lumabas ka lang sa bahay, bibili ka, and you get what you want, no? So in short, they were actually failing, no? And they were supposed to withdraw. Pero in the 2000s, doon na uso yung mga BPO, yung mga call center. And because of that, nagtatayuan yung mga condo, yung call center. And typically, yung mga sari-sari store, nagsasara mga 8, 9 p.m. na, di ba? So what ends up happening is nagkaroon ng demand, and that is where pumutok na yung 7-Eleven. Because yung mga call center agent, yung mga BPO companies, needed a way to buy something at 3 a.m. in the morning. So, what's the lesson here? So if you notice, hindi nag-work yung 7-Eleven noong 1980s. Pero 2000s, kumbaga they had to wait for almost 20 years. Just imagine, for them to become profitable, for them to strive. Pero they did not change their business model. They just waited for the market to be ready. Of course, they had the money. We can't do that. We can't wait for 20 years. But the lesson here is, ganun ka-importante yung market, ladies and gentlemen, the people that you're serving. No matter how good your product is, how good your business model is, kasi most likely yung 7-Eleven in the US, nag-work naman yun eh. Or in other countries, nag-work naman eh. Pero nung pumasok sila sa Pilipinas, the Philippines wasn't ready yet. The market wasn't ready yet. So, if you're selling something and you're figuring out mo, bakit nag-work ito sa ibang lugar, pero dito sa lugar na to, hindi nag-work, most likely, baka the reason is the market wasn't ready or they're not educated or wala pang demand yet. My name is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.